Ever wondered how the tuna on your plate makes its journey from the deep ocean to your dinner table? Join us as we dive into the fascinating process of transforming fresh tuna into a delicious product ready for consumption. The journey of making tuna products begins far out at sea, where dedicated fishing fleets venture into the vast ocean to catch this prized fish. These fleets are equipped with advanced technology and employ various sophisticated fishing methods to ensure a successful and sustainable harvest. Large fishing vessels, often referred to as factory ships, are outfitted with state-of-the-art technology to aid in the search for tuna. These ships are equipped with GPS for precise navigation and sonar systems that detect schools of tuna beneath the surface. This technology enables the crew to locate large concentrations of tuna efficiently, minimizing the time spent searching and maximizing the catch. Several methods are employed to catch tuna, each suited to different conditions and species. Purse seining is one of the most common methods used to catch large quantities of tuna. This technique involves encircling a school of tuna with a massive net. Once the net surrounds the school, the bottom of the net is pulled together like a drawstring purse, trapping the fish inside. This method is highly efficient and can capture a significant number of tuna in a single operation. However, it requires careful management to minimize bycatch and ensure sustainability. Longlining involves setting out a long line with baited hooks spaced at intervals. This method is particularly effective for catching larger species of tuna, such as bluefin and yellowfin. The long line can stretch for miles, with thousands of hooks attached. Once deployed, the line is left in the water for several hours or overnight, attracting tuna that bite onto the baited hooks. This method allows for selective fishing, but it also requires vigilance to avoid bycatch of non-target species such as sharks and seabirds. Pole and line fishing is considered one of the most sustainable methods for catching tuna. This traditional technique involves using individual fishing poles and bait to catch tuna one by one. Fishermen use live or artificial bait to attract the tuna, which are then hooked and hauled aboard by hand. This method significantly reduces bycatch and has a minimal impact on the marine environment. It also supports local fishing communities by providing steady employment. Sustainability is a crucial consideration in modern tuna fishing. Overfishing and bycatch are significant concerns that threaten tuna populations and marine ecosystems. To address these issues, many fishing fleets adhere to strict regulations and best practices designed to promote sustainable fishing. Efforts to reduce bycatch include the use of selective fishing gear and techniques. For instance, circle hooks are often used in longlining because they are less likely to be swallowed by non-target species. Bycatch reduction devices and practices, such as setting lines at specific depths to avoid catching certain species, are also implemented. To protect spawning grounds and reduce the impact on tuna populations, fishing fleets often operate under seasonal and area closures. These regulations restrict fishing activities in certain areas and during specific times of the year, allowing tuna populations to recover and thrive. Fishing vessels are frequently monitored to ensure compliance with regulations. This includes onboard observers who document catches and bycatch, as well as electronic monitoring systems that track fishing activities in real time. These measures help enforce sustainable practices and provide valuable data for fisheries management. The tuna fishing industry not only plays a vital role in global food supply, but also supports many coastal communities around the world. Jobs in fishing, processing, and related industries provide livelihoods for thousands of people. Sustainable fishing practices help ensure that these communities can continue to benefit from the industry for generations to come. In conclusion, the journey of making tuna products begins with advanced, well-regulated fishing operations far out at sea. Using state-of-the-art technology and a variety of fishing methods, fleets efficiently and sustainably catch tuna, laying the foundation for high-quality tuna products that reach consumers worldwide. Through responsible fishing practices and stringent regulations, the industry strives to balance the demand for tuna with the need to protect marine ecosystems, ensuring the longevity and health of tuna populations. Once the tuna are caught, preserving their freshness during transportation to processing facilities is paramount. The journey from sea to shore involves several critical steps designed to maintain the quality and integrity of the tuna, ensuring it reaches the processing plant in peak condition. The moment the tuna are brought on board, they are quickly chilled to prevent any degradation. This initial cooling is typically achieved by submerging the fish in ice or refrigerated seawater. The rapid reduction in temperature is crucial because it slows down enzymatic processes and bacterial growth that can spoil the fish. This step is vital for maintaining the freshness and quality of the tuna, making it suitable for high-quality products like sashimi and premium canned tuna. Larger fishing vessels often come equipped with advanced freezing capabilities. These ships can flash freeze the tuna at sea, a method that involves rapidly lowering the fish's temperature to 60 degrees Celsius or lower. Flash freezing is highly effective at preserving the tuna's texture, flavor, and nutritional value. By freezing the fish almost immediately after it is caught, the process locks in freshness and prevents the formation of large ice crystals that can damage the fish's delicate flesh. For vessels without flash freezing capabilities, specialized refrigeration systems play a crucial role. These systems maintain the fish at a constant cold temperature during the journey to shore. By keeping the tuna at temperatures just above freezing, the quality of the fish is preserved without the need for immediate freezing. This method is often used for tuna destined for canning or other cooked products, where immediate freezing is less critical. Efficient logistics are critical in minimizing the time between catching the tuna and processing it. The shorter the time from sea to processing facility, the fresher the tuna will be. Fishing operations are often coordinated with processing schedules to ensure that the fish spend as little time as possible in transit. This efficiency helps to maintain the high quality of the tuna, ensuring it remains fresh and suitable for a variety of end products. During transit, careful handling of the tuna is essential. The fish are typically stored in large, insulated containers filled with ice or refrigerated seawater. These containers are designed to maintain a consistent cold environment, reducing the risk of temperature fluctuations that could spoil the fish. Additionally, the containers protect the tuna from physical damage, ensuring that the fish arrive at the processing facility in excellent condition. Upon reaching the shore, the tuna are swiftly transferred from the fishing vessels to refrigerated trucks or other transport methods that continue to maintain the cold chain. These trucks are equipped with refrigeration units that keep the fish at the required low temperatures, ensuring there is no break in the cold chain from the moment the tuna are caught until they arrive at the processing plant. The transfer process is carefully managed to minimize handling and reduce the risk of damage. When the tuna arrive at the processing facility, they are quickly unloaded and moved into cold storage. This immediate transition from transport to cold storage is crucial for maintaining the fish's quality. The tuna are then subjected to a thorough inspection to ensure they meet the required standards for freshness and quality. Any fish that show signs of spoilage or damage are removed from the processing line to maintain the high standards of the final product. Maintaining the cold chain throughout the entire transportation process is vital. Any lapse in temperature control can lead to a decline in quality, affecting the tuna's suitability for premium products. The careful and efficient handling of the tuna from the moment it is caught until it reaches the processing facility ensures that the fish remain in peak condition, ready for further processing into high-quality tuna products. In conclusion, the transportation of tuna from the ocean to processing facilities involves meticulous planning and advanced technology to maintain the fish's freshness. From immediate onboard cooling and flash freezing to specialized refrigeration systems and efficient logistics, every step is designed to preserve the quality of the tuna, ensuring it remains fresh and suitable for a variety of premium products. Upon arrival at the processing facility, the tuna undergo a thorough inspection. Quality control teams check the fish for signs of damage, spoilage, or parasites. They assess each tuna for size, weight, and overall condition, ensuring only the best fish proceed to the next stages of processing. This initial inspection is critical to maintain the quality and safety of the final product. Any tuna that do not meet the rigorous standards are discarded or diverted for other uses, ensuring that only top-quality fish are processed. The next step involves meticulously cleaning and butchering the tuna. Each fish is thoroughly cleaned to remove any remaining scales, blood, and internal organs, ensuring a pristine start to the butchering process. Skilled workers then expertly cut the tuna into manageable pieces, focusing on separating the prime cuts, known as loins, from the rest of the fish. These loins are the most valued parts of the tuna, prized for their quality and flavor. They are carefully trimmed to remove any unwanted parts, such as bones and dark meat. This attention to detail ensures that only the highest quality meat proceeds to further processing. The trimming process is precise, aimed at maximizing the quality and yield of the prime cuts. This meticulous butchering process is crucial for producing premium tuna products. It ensures that each piece of tuna is of the highest standard, ready for the next stages of processing, whether for sashimi, canning, or other applications. The result is a superior product that meets the high expectations of consumers, maintaining the tuna's renowned taste and texture. After butchering, the tuna loins are swiftly frozen to maintain their freshness and prevent spoilage. Advanced freezing techniques, such as blast freezing or super freezing, are employed to rapidly lower the tuna's temperature to 60 degrees Celsius or lower. This quick freeze method locks in the tuna's flavor and texture, ensuring it remains in prime condition until further processing. The frozen tuna is then moved to specialized cold storage facilities designed to keep the temperature consistent. These facilities are equipped with state-of-the-art technology to monitor and maintain ultra-low temperatures, preserving the tuna's quality over time. Consistent freezing conditions are crucial for preventing any degradation in the tuna's texture or taste. Any fluctuation in temperature can compromise the quality, so meticulous attention is given to maintaining the optimal environment. The tuna remains in these controlled storage conditions until it is ready for the next stage of processing, whether that be canning, sashimi preparation, or other methods. In summary, the freezing and storage process is essential for preserving the quality of tuna. Through rapid freezing and careful storage, the tuna's freshness, flavor, and texture are meticulously maintained, ensuring a high-quality product that meets consumer expectations. For canned tuna, the process begins with thawing the frozen loins. Once thawed, the loins are cooked to perfection. They are then carefully packed into cans along with oil, water, or brine, depending on the desired product. After filling, the cans are sealed tightly to ensure no contaminants can enter. These sealed cans are then subjected to a high-temperature sterilization process. This step is crucial as it kills any bacteria present, ensuring the tuna is safe to eat and extends the product's shelf life. The sterilization process also helps to lock in the tuna's flavor, preserving its taste for an extended period. Various types of canned tuna products are produced to cater to different consumer preferences. These include chunk-like tuna, known for its softer texture and milder flavor, and solid white tuna, which offers firmer, larger pieces of fish. Additionally, flavored tuna varieties are created by adding different spices and seasonings to the cans, providing a range of tastes to suit diverse palates. In summary, the canning and processing of tuna involve precise steps to ensure safety, longevity, and flavor. This meticulous process results in a versatile product that can be enjoyed in various forms, meeting the needs and preferences of consumers worldwide. Not all tuna is destined for canning or cooking. Some of the highest quality tuna, known as sashimi grade, is prepared specifically for raw consumption. This premium tuna is handled with the utmost care to preserve its freshness, texture, and flavor, making it a favorite in sushi restaurants around the world. The journey of sashimi-grade tuna begins far out at sea, where fishing vessels equipped with state-of-the-art technology locate and catch these prized fish. To ensure the highest quality, the tuna are often flash frozen immediately after being caught. Flash freezing involves quickly lowering the fish's temperature to ultra-low levels, often below 60 degrees Celsius. This rapid freezing process locks in the tuna's freshness, texture, and nutritional value, preventing the formation of ice crystals that can damage the fish's delicate flesh. Once flash frozen, the tuna is stored in specialized ultra-low temperature freezers on board the fishing vessel and during transport to the processing facility. Maintaining these ultra-low temperatures is critical to preserving the sashimi-grade quality of the tuna. Any fluctuation in temperature can compromise the texture and taste, so strict temperature control is essential throughout the entire journey from sea to shore. Upon arrival at the processing facility, the sashimi-grade tuna is thawed under carefully controlled conditions. This thawing process must be done slowly and precisely to ensure that the fish retains its firm texture and vibrant color. Rapid or improper thawing can lead to uneven texture and loss of quality. After thawing, each tuna undergoes a thorough inspection. Quality control teams examine the fish for any signs of damage, discoloration, or parasites. The tuna is evaluated for its color, which should be a bright deep red, and its texture, which should be firm and smooth. Only the tuna that meets these stringent criteria is deemed suitable for sashimi grade. Once the sashimi grade tuna has passed inspection, it is carefully cut into slices or blocks. This process requires skill and precision to ensure that the tuna is cut to the perfect thickness and size for sashimi. Expert cutters use specialized knives to make clean, precise cuts that enhance the presentation and eating experience. Each slice of sashimi-grade tuna is inspected again to ensure it meets the high standards expected by top sushi chefs and discerning consumers. Ensuring that tuna products meet the highest standards of quality and safety requires a rigorous and comprehensive quality control and inspection process. From the moment the tuna is caught to the final packaging, every step involves meticulous checks and balances to maintain the integrity of the product. The quality control journey begins as soon as the tuna is unloaded at the processing facility. The initial inspection involves a thorough visual and physical examination of the fish. Quality control teams assess each tuna for size, weight, color, and overall condition. Any signs of spoilage, damage, or parasites are identified and addressed immediately. This initial scrutiny ensures that only the best quality tuna proceed to the next stages of processing. As the tuna moves through the processing stages, continuous monitoring is conducted to maintain high standards. During the cleaning and butchering phase, inspectors ensure that the fish is properly handled and that all non-edible parts are efficiently removed. The cleanliness of the equipment and the hygiene practices of the workers are also closely monitored to prevent any contamination. Samples are regularly taken from each batch of tuna to undergo chemical and microbiological testing. These tests are crucial for detecting potential hazards that might not be visible to the naked eye. Mercury levels, histamines, and other contaminants are carefully measured to ensure they fall within safe limits set by health regulations. Microbiological tests are conducted to check for bacteria such as Salmonella and Listeria, which could pose serious health risks if present. In addition to chemical and microbiological testing, sensory evaluations are performed to assess the taste, texture, and aroma of the tuna. Experienced quality control experts sample the tuna to ensure it meets the expected flavor profile and consistency. This step is particularly important for products like sashimi-grade tuna, where the quality of taste and texture is paramount. Consistency in the final product is a key focus of quality control. Throughout the processing stages, checks are made to ensure that each piece of tuna is processed uniformly. This involves monitoring the thickness of slices, the evenness of cuts, and the accuracy of portion sizes. Ensuring consistency helps maintain a high-quality product that meets consumer expectations every time. Before the tuna products are packaged, a final inspection is conducted. This involves a comprehensive review of the processed tuna to ensure it is free from any defects or contaminants. Quality control teams check the appearance, weight, and packaging suitability of each piece of tuna. This final inspection acts as a safeguard, ensuring that only the best products are packaged and sent to market. Throughout the entire quality control process, detailed records are maintained. Each batch of tuna is documented with information about its origin, processing details, and results from various inspections and tests. This traceability is essential for addressing any issues that may arise and for providing transparency to consumers. It allows the company to track each product back to its source and ensure that every step of the process meets stringent quality standards. The effectiveness of the quality control process depends heavily on the training and expertise of the quality control teams. Continuous training programs are in place to ensure that all team members are up to date with the latest standards and techniques in food safety and quality assurance. Additionally, the quality control process is subject to regular reviews and improvements. Feedback from inspectors, advancements in technology, and changes in regulatory requirements are all considered to refine and enhance the quality control measures. In conclusion, the rigorous quality control and inspection process in tuna production ensures that every product meets the highest standards of safety, health, and taste. From initial inspection to final packaging, each step is carefully monitored and tested to deliver a product that consumers can trust and enjoy. This comprehensive approach guarantees that the tuna on your plate is not only delicious, but also safe and consistent in quality. After passing all quality control checks, the tuna products are ready for packaging. Depending on the product type, canned, frozen, or sashimi grade, the tuna is packed in materials designed to protect it from contamination and damage. Each package is carefully labeled with essential information, including the type of tuna, weight, nutritional facts, and expiration date. Proper labeling is crucial as it provides consumers with all the necessary details about the product they are purchasing. This includes transparent information about the tuna's origin and quality, helping consumers make informed choices. The packaging process is conducted under strict hygienic conditions to maintain the highest standards of quality and safety. Automated machinery and skilled workers ensure that each package is sealed perfectly to preserve freshness. For canned tuna, the sealing process involves creating an airtight environment to extend shelf life. For sashimi-grade tuna, packaging materials are designed to maintain ultra-low temperatures, preserving the delicate texture and flavor. Attention to detail during packaging not only ensures the tuna's safety, but also its presentation. Attractive and informative labeling combined with secure packaging guarantees that the tuna remains fresh and intact until it reaches the consumer's plate. This meticulous approach ensures that consumers receive high-quality tuna products, maintaining their trust and satisfaction with every purchase. The final step in the journey of tuna from the ocean to your plate is distribution and delivery. Once packaged, tuna products are loaded onto refrigerated trucks to ensure they remain at optimal temperatures during transit. These trucks transport the tuna to various distribution centers, where the products are then sorted and dispatched to grocery stores, restaurants, and other retail outlets. Efficient logistics and transportation systems are crucial to this process, ensuring that the tuna products reach their destinations quickly and in perfect condition. This meticulous handling guarantees that consumers receive the freshest and highest quality tuna possible. Each step, from loading to final delivery, is carefully managed to maintain the integrity and safety of the tuna. At distribution centers, staff ensure that the products are handled with care, adhering to strict hygiene standards. The cold chain is maintained throughout the journey, preventing any deterioration in quality. Detailed tracking systems monitor the progress of each shipment, allowing for timely adjustments if necessary. In conclusion, the careful planning and execution of the distribution and delivery process ensure that the tuna retains its premium quality from the moment it leaves the processing facility until it reaches the consumer's plate. This ensures a delightful culinary experience with every bite. So there you have it, the fascinating journey from the deep blue sea to the delicious tuna we all love. If you want to explore more exciting stories and innovative ways in beverage and food production, watch our next video.